Hello, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, South Carolina. Today we're going to look at a 2012 260 Sundeck. I'll start up here with the bow and give you some features that are on this boat. We have a nice big anchor locker with plenty of room for anchor, lots of line, and a front boarding ladder as well. On this boat also, we have a freshwater system on this boat, so we have a front wash on the front, freshwater wash. We have a self-bailing little cooler here as well. On the seats, you'll notice we have armrests on both seats that fold up and down. We also have hinged self-bailing storage coolers here that you can use for big storage if you want to use this to put your drinks in, beverage, food for the family. There's also a table that mounts right in the front of the boat as well. Have courtesy lights up here also, so at night you can have a little illumination up here. Plenty of cup holders, grab rails. Back at the helm, you have storage for your tables and lots of other things, life jackets, etc. In this boat as well. This boat has lots of storage. Here at the helm, all full gauges, 80 hours on this boat. You have your drive, you have speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, stereo, all your blowers and systems over here, trim tabs over here as well. Captain's chairs, you have both bolster seats here. You also have a pump out head here also. Comes equipped with a sink and an extra storage compartment in there as well. This is a pump out, so there's fresh water in the head as well, which makes it great if you have small children. Here we have another hinged compartment here for storage. Lots of storage on this boat here. We have another place for a table on this boat as well. So there's a fore and aft table. Plenty of power on this boat, 260 horsepower, 5.0 multi-port fuel injected engine. On this boat we also have a sink feature on this boat as well, so we have more fresh water on the starboard side. We also have plenty of storage underneath and a trash can, and here's your stereo system also is mounted under here. We also have a ski locker here. And then back here you have lots of room back here for the family. You can sit here and you can watch the kids. Okay, here we are at the aft portion of this boat. It has a nice big sun pad. It also has a nice big ski ladder here where the kids can get out, get down in the water. It's easy to board up and down. You have a Bravo 3 outdrive here with 2 counter-rotating props, plenty of thrust, very easy boat to drive for the size. As you can see, the boat is in immaculate condition. These are the trim tabs as well. This boat tracks so well that you really don't need trim tabs. If this is a boat that you would be interested in, please contact us here at Lake Wylie Marina. This is Dennis. Our number is 803-831-2101. Thank you.